Hello traders, welcome to my weekly trade forecast on EURCAD. EURCAD on the daily chart creates a false breakout. So long we have this false breakout on the EURCAD this week. So long we have this false breakout on the EURCAD from this level this week, we expect price to drop this week. You can see that we have a higher high and we have a lower high. And the first breakout comes from this particular region. So long we have this first breakout from this region, and price also gave us a price action setup with this bearish rejection candlestick. This shows that this indicates we are expecting price to pull to the next weekly support level, which is this level. So this week we are expecting the EURCAD to move to this weekly support level this week. So let's do top down analysis on the EURCAD. On my top down analysis, you can see from my monthly chart, you can see that price closed on this resistance level on the monthly chart. So long price close on resistance level on the monthly chart, we'll be expecting price to come to this support level and this support level. So we're expecting price to come to this support level on the monthly chart. So let's look at the weekly chart of this EURCAD. Let's look at the weekly chart of the EURCAD. From the weekly chart, you can see that previously on the weekly chart we have a lower low, then we have a higher low, then price break out of this region to form this level. So long price break out of this region to form this level, we'll be expecting price to push back to this support level. But before that, let's look at the long-term resistance and support area. You can see from my weekly chart also, we also have this resistance on the weekly chart. So long we have this resistance on the weekly chart and price also fail to close above them, we expect price to also move to this support level. We have this support level on the weekly chart here. Price is expected to come back to this support region. So we're expecting price to come to this support region this week on the EURCAD. So let's go back to our daily chart. On my daily chart, so what are we expecting now on the EURCAD? We expect price to, so long we have this signal candlestick on the EURCAD this week. What we're expecting this week now, for us to take this trade, we'll be expecting price to go below this level, because we have a resistance, we have a daily resistance at this level. So long we have a daily resistance at this level, then we also have a resistance at this level. We're expecting EURCAD to break below this level. Once price go below this level and retest, we'll be looking for our selling opportunity to this next support level on the EURCAD. So we're looking for a sell once price break this strong support level on EURCAD before we look at our sell position on the EURCAD. If you find this analysis helpful, like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.